In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unique values in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever worked with a list that contains repeated entries and you only want to see each value once, Excel has a very simple solution for that. The feature we'll use is the unique function, which automatically extracts distinct values from a list and displays them in a clean, separate range. This is especially useful for organizing data, reviewing categories, or preparing information for reports. To begin, enter your data in column A. Make sure your list is placed in that column so Excel knows exactly where to pull the values from. In this example, the data runs from cell A2 through A8. It's a good habit to double check that your entries are in one continuous range, because that helps the function work exactly as expected. Once your data is ready, click an empty cell where you want the list of unique values to appear. For example, you can click cell C2. Choosing an empty area is important because the unique function returns multiple results, and Excel needs enough space to display them. If there's already something in the cells below, the results may not spill properly. Now, in that empty cell, type the formula equals unique open parenthesis A2 colon A8 close parenthesis, and then press enter. In Excel format, that is written as unique A2 A8. As soon as you press enter, Excel will generate a list containing only the unique values from your original data range. Any duplicates in the source list will be removed automatically in the results. One of the best things about this method is that it updates automatically. If you are using Microsoft 365 or Excel 2021, the unique function is the fastest and easiest way to find unique values because it is dynamic. That means if your source data changes, the output updates too, without needing to recreate the list manually. So if you add a new item to the original range or edit an existing value, the unique list adjusts right away. This makes the function much more efficient than older manual methods, especially when you're working with changing data. Just remember that the formula depends on the source range you selected. So if your list grows beyond A8, you may need to update the range to include the new cells. And that's all it takes to find unique values in Microsoft Excel using the unique function.